Welcome back to Great Day Houston. All right, it is now time to shop till we actually drop. And what are you dropping on? Youval Meicler with Texas Mattress Makers. So many people say they want to head into the new year with a better commitment to their health. And from your perspective, there's no better thing you can do to make sure you're getting a great night's sleep.
Amen.
Amen.
And I like the way you said, you shop till you drop, and then you used my name. So you come exactly as Deborah said. You come over here and you drop on these mattresses.
Yeah, but the key is when you drop to make sure that you also wake back up, and
That's
that
right.
does go to that great night's sleep. A lot of times when people come in here and they tell you, I'm tossing and turning at night, or I wake up with a pain on my hip or on my shoulder, or as for me, that was my shoulder, my hip, and my neck, that tells you right away that the mattress is a source of the problem for them.
Absolutely. Look, Deborah, we are the best at manufacturing and fitting people into their mattress in the city of Houston. There's no discussion. We approach selling a mattress totally different. Number one, part of your 4 things that you have to do to be a healthy human being is sleeping. It's the biggest part, really, but people
it's
never...
when your body restores itself.
Exactly, but consciously people don't know that, and on top of that, it's one of those things you have to buy, but you don't really know how to approach buying it. You come to us, we're not about selling you a mattress, we're about fitting you into a mattress. We understand every component in the mattress. We understand the give and take of the reaction of your body based on how you sleep. You have any physical discomforts? Why? How did it happen? And then we take all those things into consideration and we fit you in a mattress and we make you feel everything we speak to you.
Yeah, the reason why you can do that is because you are the actual factory. You can dictate exactly what needs to go to that mattress for our body.
Absolutely. Everything that we sell, we manufacture. So we're going to show you every component that is in your mattress, not in our mattress, in your mattress. And we're going to build it to the quality that you want the mattress to be.
Yeah, a lot of folks will have some time off over the holidays, and that's great. So come in here, take the time to get fitted into your mattress. And if you have someone else sleeping in your bed, for couples, you can do each side for each person. A
lot of people settle. Well, Deborah has got a problem with her neck or her hip or her shoulder, so I'm going to settle whatever makes her comfortable. No. We don't settle. Whatever Deborah needs, we're going to make. Whatever her partner needs, we're going to make. And they're both going to fit in the mattress comfortably, and they're going to sleep well. There are a lot of places in Houston, Texas to buy mattresses. There's only one place that you can get fitted into a mattress, and that's Texas Mattress Maker.
Yeah. My niece called me. She lives someplace else, and she said, okay, so I finally found a mattress that's right for me. She had broken her back at one time, so she needed something that was comfortable for her. And she said, the problem is it's going to take about 2 or 3 months before they get it in, and there's no guarantee it's going to come in. That's not an issue here because, again, right over there, you're making them.
140,000 square feet of manufacturing facility. Every component we need, you have. When you sit down at the point of sale, we're going to tell you exactly when you're going to get it. It doesn't matter what kind of mattress we're building. If it's 3 feels, 2 feels, or 1 feel, it takes us the same amount of time. We manufacture it, we inspect it, and then we deliver it and set it up at your house, and we'll take the old one. We don't charge you for any of those things. It's just part of us doing business on a daily basis.
When people hear customized, when they hear quality, when they hear this side of the bed versus that side of the bed for somebody else, they think cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Again, it's going from the factory to our house, so there's no middleman. So price-wise, we're good there. All right, we want people to come in, but this time of year, we're oftentimes reminded of that guest room, right? And you have company coming. Maybe you want to get a mattress for that room as well. You can do that online.
That's correct. Anything you want, you can do online. We have tests. We show you we ask you what kind of body you have, what kind of issues you have. The people you talk to that you talk online are employees of this company. We don't hire people outside just to ask and answer questions that are already preconditioned. If you need a mattress for a child, if you need a mattress for a spare bedroom and you do not have the time, go online, find out what we recommend. I promise you, we were not going to ask you to spend more than what you need for a spare bedroom. We don't want you to waste your money. We want you to have what you need for the purpose of your use.
Yeah, all right. So you're already getting savings because it's factory to your home, no middleman, but there are extra savings during the holidays. So look out for that for Black Friday and through Christmas and through the new year.
Absolutely.
Save big during Texas Mattress Maker's Black Friday Super Sale. Get up to 25% off, plus free accessories on mattresses starting at $499. To order your bed online, visit TexasMattressMakers.com or give them a call, 713-341-6252. That's 713-341-6252. You can also visit one of their 6 showrooms located throughout the greater Houston area.